blending internal and external liquidity with CRT. ICT's secret, ICT's gem, Romeo's secret and gem, and as well as a trading strategy they can implement right now. He has his own strategy they can implement right the fuck now. Okay? And what is internal and external liquidity? Internal liquidity is fair value. So basically fair value gaps. External liquidity is old highs or old lows. I won't be going over it. All you guys gotta do is watch my ETU Mastermind free ETU Mastermind CRT Bootcamp that's getting published in January 1st. Then you could as well just learn from there and come back to this and eventually get the strategy after you learn those concepts. CRT is a candle range that every candle had its own range. The 15-minute had its own range. The 1-minute had its own range. Every candle has its own range. Every candle has its own accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Every candle has its own power of 3. Every candle has its own open, high, low, close concept or open, low, high, close concept, right? And as well is a buying low and selling high, buying low, right? Simple as that. And yeah, let's get into it. Without even me trying to spot, I already see it internal to external. So it'll be very obvious for you guys to look at this, right? Internal to external liquidity, right? Internal to external liquidity. So now, if you are a blind trader that does not know the ICT's Romeo's secret about CRT, you are failing, because if you would have just bought out of this candle right over here, right when you tap the internal, you would have had faced losses because you don't know what is a CRT. If you are a trader who blends CRT with external to internal liquidity, you're doing yourself a favor, and this is how you can make immense of profits, right? Profits. And traders who don't blend CRT with external to internal liquidity are getting wrecked, because eventually what came in play? CRT came in play with internal to external liquidity. Now let's go to a lower time frame. You can see our CRT low, our CRT high on the 4-hour time frame. If you're a blind trader and you just buy out of the internal to external and you don't know what is CRT, you're losing. You're failing. Look, you buy this, you long this CISD, loss. You long this breakup structure, loss, right? Loss. You fake drawdown, wow. You're fucking up your emotion, right? When you blend CRT with external to internal liquidity, you wait till this range low gets purged. CISD happened. At the CISD is kind of big, so you wait for a threshold. So what did the market do? Threshold. How is this a big candle? Because you can see this huge candle, right? This is a huge candle. There's a lot of down closed candles that purge out liquidity. So it's considered to be a fat candle. So you want to be using the 50%, because market usually retraces at 50% of the threshold most of the time. Sometimes it may not, right? And you enter out of here, put stop right down there. You first target this CRT high. Your second take profits the external. In this case, you would have not gone for the you would have not gone for the CRT high. You would have just gone to the external, making a profit of 4.4% gain without any partials, right? And that's a 4RR alone. And today was another perfect example of an external to internal liquidity. Today, what would the market do from external back to internal, right? At my highs, I did not see the market want to going all the way down here, because this was the whole weekly range in one move in one day. I was like, okay, that's interesting. So I did not expect to go down there. But to the traders who blend CRT with external to internal, made a lot of profits because of external to internal, right? You have a CRT high that got purged, right? External high got purged as well. So now it's kept to the 15-minute time frame. You're looking for your 15-minute CISD that happened right over here. Tapped it. You're in the trade. Your take profit 1 will be 50% of that range. TP2 with CRT low. Final take profit would be the internal liquidity, going for a 4.8 RR. That's a lot of profits, right? Now that your CRT low got purged, that your take profit got purged, now you can extend your take profit to the internal, making extra profits, making a 1% gain, right? 1.5% gain just because of this, you doing a external to internal liquidity, right? Then you could use that extra profits to buy whatever you want, to do whatever you want, right? External to internal liquidity are very powerful concept paired with CRT, right? And a external to internal liquidity would be like this as well. Let me see if I can get. Let me see if I have any examples here of an external to internal liquidity and the higher time frame. Right over here, internal to external, right? And what do we have paired with it? A CRT. So if you're a CRT traders and you're not implementing external to internal, you would have made less profits, right? You would have only made profits to right over here. While if you're a external to internal with a CRT trader, guess what the market do? Made you more profits, right? You're first entering a CRT, you have like a proficient take profits, proficient drawn liquidity, go from a IRL to ERL, right? On the weekly, IRL to ERL, another one today, this week, IRL to ERL. Go back in and pass in a time. Market soup out this market inverted fair value gap. So our next drawn liquidity is going to be the high that created the fair value gap, which is right over here. So basically, the swing high is going to be your next drawn liquidity as a internal could get inversed, and you can market go from external to external. Quick sauce for you guys, and you can see that always happens. And what led the move happening is CRT. Right, CRT low got purged, that caused a move to up there, right? And once this end to external got purged, what the market do? From a external back to internal on the daily time frame, we go from a daily external to internal, on the weekly internal to external, right? You see what the market do right over here. You can see this candle. What called this move down? Internal and external. And keep in mind, when a CRT is not there and you're pattern trading this, as I've already showed you an example of a internal to external trader who doesn't implement CRT. You see, you would have bought out of here, out of nowhere, without a CRT, you would have had a loss because you would buy around here, market will stop you out. Market will go, you wait. You question yourself why. You wonder why. Because of a CRT. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, join our Discord, join it to you. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.